always good to have my girl Kathryn Emery with us. She is the go-to expert for home improvement and lifestyle advice, and she shimmies like the best of them. So good to see you, my dear.
I mean, 'tis the season. We got to dance. We got some really cool things to talk about today. I'm so excited always to talk with you.
All right, we're getting our homes ready for the holidays. What do you have for making our security smarter? Because I feel like everybody is into this these days, right?
Girl, what if I told you there's a way to secure your home and enhance your connectivity? There is. This is brand new. It's the Ring Alarm Pro, and this adds another layer of security to your home while keeping your Wi-Fi up and running with a built-in Eero Wi Fi 6 router. So when you add in the Ring Protect Pro plan, you get access to features like professional monitoring and my personal favorite, 24/7 backup internet, because in the event of an internet outage, important devices like laptop and security cameras stay connected with cellular data. Because think about it, Robin, it's important if the power goes out, you still want those cameras recording and protecting your home. So Ring, I mean, they're the innovators in this space. They've done it again. Check it out. It's just such a great addition into their family of products.
You are improving what comes out of our faucets, right? Something we all take for granted.
Absolutely. And you know what? Water softeners are so wonderful because not only do they benefit you, they benefit your home by removing hard water contaminants. So this helps your skin, your hair, your clothes to be softer, your dishes are cleaner, your water using appliances actually last longer. So Culligan has an amazing smart home system called the Aquasential Smart High Efficiency Water Softener. This offers next level connectivity. Check it out. That Culligan app right there, that lets you connect and monitor your water usage. You can set goals, help you save money, reduce water usage, as well as receive service reminders for when that salt is low. Here's what I love, Robin. They send you the alert to you, but they also send it to your local Culligan water expert, because I need all the help I can get remembering to keep things up to date in my house. And mentioning that local Culligan water expert, I love it because they know the water in your area. So call them, they'll come, they'll do a free in-home consultation. I just love that they're there, they're professionals, and they're on standby when you want them after you've installed the system. So, all right, let's talk about this. I know we don't want to talk about it, but cold and flu season is here. And also, we're turning on our heaters a lot more, right? So that means everything feels dry, our nasal passages, our eyes. Doctors recommend a cool mist humidifier. Here's the problem, girl. There's a lot of small, inexpensive ones out there, and they don't put out enough humidity. So Air Innovations, they're the leaders in humidification. They have a patented dual mist humidifier that puts out twice as much mist of any humidifier. This is great for larger rooms or when you need moisture quickly, like if anyone in your house gets a cold or flu or has upper respiratory issues. So you know I'm a busy mom, right? So I also love their Anti-Microbial Tank and Base because it prevents bacteria from growing. They've got this large tank. You only have to fill it once every 5 days, so you're not lugging it back and forth to the sink. And then check out this top fill design. Isn't that awesome? So Air Innovations has just thought of it all. Not to mention, who doesn't want to sleep better, have better skin, feel better, right?
Finally, we're going to hang up decorations. Give us something you have for that, Kathryn.
By the way, you're going to break some of those decorations. I hate to tell you. So you're going to want to get an all-purpose adhesive that bonds virtually everything but dries crystal clear. So this is DAP Rapid Fuse Ultra Clear Adhesive. It starts crystal clear and stays crystal clear. Isn't that amazing, Robin? Like, you know, you see those other adhesives, they dry in like a cloudy opaque bond that turns yellow over time. DAP dries clear, stays clear, so it doesn't alter the appearance of what you're bonding in any way. Think about those family heirlooms. It's just a great thing to have. You can apply it to materials that are flexible, it's water resistant, it's dishwasher safe. Once it dries, just get a bottle on hand because like we said, you're going to break something. That way you have it, and when you break something, you can fix it right away and move on with your holidays. And then for those things that break that need a really precise application, or maybe you're trying to do something vertically, check out this. This is their Rapid Fuse Fast Curing Gel. It's got a control applicator so it won't drip, and it's going to reach those hard to reach places. So I just love it. I mean, like I said, have a bottle on hand. We know, I mean, unfortunately we break things, but you know, we fix them. So you can't tell we broke them.
I was going to say, how do you know? Great. I literally break everything.
Didn't do it.
So
can't prove it. Didn't do it. Didn't do a thing. Didn't see anything.
There you go. All right. BeTheBestHome.com. You can find those products and so much more advice advice from Kathryn. Thank you so much for being with us.
Always good talking to you, girl. Looking forward to next time.